Welcome to Educate to Amaze. This is Ranjit. Have you ever wondered what exactly happens below the Earth's surface during an earthquake? In this informative video, we delve into the fascinating world of tectonic plate movements and explore the key concepts like elastic rebound, focus and epicenter, seismic waves, surface waves, ground shaking, aftershocks, and the effects of earthquakes on structures. Join us on this captivating journey as we unravel the science behind earthquakes and gain a deeper understanding of the powerful forces that shape our planet's surface. Welcome to The Science Behind Earthquakes, exploring what happens below Earth's surface. What is tectonic plate movement? Earthquakes are the result of tectonic plate movement beneath the Earth's surface. The Earth's lithosphere is divided into several large and small plates that constantly interact with each other. Let's see what is elastic rebound. When these tectonic plates are locked due to friction, stress gradually builds up. As the stress overcomes the strength of the rocks, it causes the rocks to suddenly break and move along the fault line. This phenomenon is known as elastic rebound. Let's understand focus and epicenter. The point inside the Earth where the seismic energy is released is called the focus. The point directly above the focus on the Earth's surface is known as the epicenter. Understanding the focus and epicenter is crucial in studying earthquakes and predicting their impact. When an earthquake occurs, it generates seismic waves that radiate outwards from the focus. There are two main types of seismic waves: body waves and surface waves. What are surface waves? Surface waves are the seismic waves that travel along the Earth's surface. They cause the most damage during an earthquake as they produce strong shaking and rolling motion. What is ground shaking? The ground shaking during an earthquake is a result of the transfer of energy from the seismic waves to the Earth's surface. The intensity of the shaking depends on various factors such as the magnitude of the earthquake, distance from the epicenter, and local soil conditions. What are aftershocks? Aftershocks are smaller earthquakes that occur in the same region after the main earthquake. These can continue for days, weeks, or even months after the initial event. Aftershocks can be equally damaging and should not be underestimated. Let's see the effects on structures. Earthquakes can have catastrophic effects on structures. Buildings and infrastructure that are not designed to withstand strong ground shaking can collapse or suffer severe damage. Understanding the behavior of structures during earthquakes is crucial for constructing more resilient buildings. In conclusion, earthquakes are a result of complex tectonic plate movements beneath the Earth's surface. The release of accumulated stress causes sudden movements, sending seismic waves that can have devastating effects on our planet's surface. By studying the science behind earthquakes, we can better understand and predict these natural disasters, and work towards mitigating their impact on humanity. Thank you for watching The Science Behind Earthquakes, exploring what happens below Earth's surface. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the Earth's wonders. Stay curious. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos and hit the like button if you like the video, and click on bell icon, so that you never miss a video from us.